So why would we extend with Builder Gel rather than acrylic, polygel, hard gel or dip? Builder Gel extensions are a great option for short extensions. They feel very natural, they soak off easily, they're convenient to apply when you're already doing a BIAB manicure service. You may only offer natural nail services or have limited products, so BIAB is a versatile option for you. It's great for repairing broken nails that may only have a chip out of one side, or extending one or two nails only. However, it does have its limitations. It's unsuitable for very long extensions, nail biters who would be much suited to a more rigid product like liquid and powder, or your very heavy-handed or hard-wearing clients like your horse riders, cleaners, etc. They will be needing a much stronger and substantial extension. If you are going to do a Builder Gel extension, a clear Builder Gel is preferable as it's stronger and has much better adhesion than coloured Builder Gels, and it soaks off unlike a hard gel, and it feels very natural and flexible and natural nail-like, unlike acrylic. I'd highly recommend during your consultation with your client that you assess whether they want to have long natural nails rather than extensions, but just haven't asked for a Builder Gel manicure because they think their nails don't grow. Everybody's nails grow, but they often break after a few millimeters of growth. This is where Builder in a Bottle comes in. The buildable strength protects and supports short natural nails as they grow, and the thickness and structure can be increased to support the longer nails. Clients will often be surprised at how fast their nails are growing just because they're not breaking when they have a Builder in a Bottle manicure on. A BIAB overlay may be suitable instead of extensions if your client would rather have long natural nails than extensions, if they're willing to wait for their nails to grow, if they're wanting active length nails, and if they're willing to maintain them well and have regular appointments. If they don't have the time or can't commit to ongoing manicures, or if they're wanting a fashion length and shapes, then extensions with BIAB or other systems would be a better option.